Beverly and Los Angeles at the mobile. I don't know.
Look, hey, where was it at? I know, Baker. I know. Where was it at?
How many kids have to kill each other before we see? There have already been thousands of beautiful, gifted kids whose lives are over. There will be no future for them, no tomorrow. All their great potential is wasted forever. These are our own kids killing each other. Our own kids are doing what 300 years of slavery couldn't do, what the Ku Klux Klan couldn't do, and what all the ugly racism we faced for generations couldn't do. They're threatening our spirit, breaking our hearts, and destroying us from within. Now, Martin Luther King didn't die for that. Not to see our own children threatening the survival of our people. Malcolm X didn't die for that. Now, I know how hard it is out there. I know how hopeless it feels, the epidemic of drugs, the lack of jobs, the deprivation and killing in our community, and it seems like almost nothing is being done about it. I know that. But killing ourselves is not the answer. And parents, we must take responsibility. We have to take our children back and gain control. It is our individual responsibility to do this, to get our children back. We cannot let this slaughter continue. We got to go on together. And we have to live to realize the promise of our great struggle for all of us.